Yo, what's good, YouTube family? Today I'm going to teach you how to play If, period, parentheses, Spring in New York, end parentheses, by Brent Faiyaz. I'm going to give you the chord progression, I'm going to break down how to play each chord, and I'm going to give you a strumming pattern that you can use for the song. As always, timestamps are going to be down in the pinned comment and description below, so if you really need to, you can go ahead and refer to that there. But first, here's a little preview of what it's going to sound like.
If you could feel for me the way I feel for you, you could be the one for me, and I could be the one for you.
As you can see, I have a capo here on the second fret. Every chord that I teach is relative to the capo. You need to know 4 chords for the song. Those 4 chords are E minor 7, A minor 7, B minor 7, and C major 7. Okay, now here's a breakdown of how to play the chords. First chord is E minor 7, so we're putting our finger on the second fret of the A string, and it's gonna sound like this. Second chord, A minor 7. We're putting our fingers on the first fret of the B string and the second fret of the D string, and it's gonna sound like this. Next chord is B minor 7. So we're gonna bar the second fret, and we're putting our fingers on the third fret of the B string and the fourth fret of the D string, and it's gonna sound like this. And last chord is C major 7. I'm playing it on the third fret for this song, so we're gonna bar the third fret and we're putting our fingers on the fourth fret of the G string and the fifth fret of the D and the B string, and it's gonna sound like this. Okay, if you really want to, you can play the C major 7 here. So second fret D string, third fret A string, it's gonna sound like this. But I personally think it sounds better on the third fret for this song. So if we think about this in 4 counts, it's gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So as far as the strumming pattern goes, I'm gonna put the strumming pattern on the bottom of your screen, and I'm gonna play the chord progression for you. So just pay close attention and take note of the strumming pattern. So here we go. Like I said, that's just an example of what you can do. But like I always say, if you mess around and you find another way to strum or pluck the guitar that sounds better to you, by all means, go ahead and do that. You are the creator. But that's how you play the song. As always, guys, I appreciate you tapping into this tutorial. I hope that it helped you out. If you have any comments, or especially if you have any questions, go ahead and put those in the comment section down below, and I'll do my best to answer them when I can. If you did like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and share it with somebody that wants to learn the song. While you are here, I'd like to invite you to follow my other social media platforms. I have TikTok and Instagram, which I'll link in the description and pin comment down below. I have tutorials on there that I don't necessarily have here on YouTube, so you might want to go ahead and follow me there. Also, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so already, if you want more tutorials like this. As a matter of fact, there is another tutorial popping up on your screen. Go ahead and check that one out. I think you'll like that one as well. And I'll see y'all on the next video.